Welcome Leo to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's check your weekly reading from 28th of November to December 4th for your love life and your career. So let's first see the energies for your love life, what these cards have to say. You've got nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. This connection is divinely timed. Okay, so it's asking you to be patient, to kind of be patient and take things as they come. Now let's pick three cards in the past, three cards in the present, three cards in the future, and let's pick the main challenge for this week. You've got the moon. You've got the Seven of Cups. You have the lovers in the past. In the present, you have the world. You have the Page of Pentacles. And you have the Two of Wands. And in the future, you have the Nine of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles. And the main challenge for this week is the Queen of Pentacles. And what you don't see coming at you is the Three of Pentacles, a period of great responsibility, probably collaboration, with the person on your mind. A lot of conversation, collaboration, taking shared responsibility. So let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. So this is a period where not much is going wrong, but there's a certain kind of guardedness, a cycle is coming to an end. The lovers in the past shows that there is definitely deep love in this relationship, deep attraction, deep love. And there has been a period of anxiety, The Queen of Pentacles is clarified by Justice, the Magician, and the Lovers. You got the Lovers twice, so this is a seminal relationship in your life, and you are hoping for the very best. You are hoping for the very best. The Moon is clarified by Temperance and the Four of Swords and the Moon. The Moon is clarified, Temperance, the Four of Swords, and the Moon. A lot of unexpressed emotions, a lot of anxiety, a lot of you're kind of trying to manifest a certain kind of outcome, The Seven of Cups is clarified by the Two of Wands, the Hierophant, and the High Priestess. So both the High Priestess and the Hierophant have come up together. So this could be someone who has an outward show of great stability. But believe me, beyond and beneath this placid surface, there are a lot of unsaid needs and unmet needs that need to be expressed. This could be you or your person. The Lovers is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Emperor. So this person could be someone who is, very well-to-do probably, and you really hope to kind of make the best of the situation. This person could be in control, or you could be in control of the relationship. But mostly this person calls the shots as far as your relationship is concerned. The World is clarified by the Hermit, the Four of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. For some of you, you could be looking to settle down with this person. You see a future with this person, and you are kind of nursing those dreams that you hold in your heart. The Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Eight of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the Page of Swords. So a new beginning, a lot of communication on the cards for the two of you, a lot of, talking about your feelings, talking about where the relationship is, not without its stresses, but yes. The Two of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Empress. Okay, for some of you, there could be a period of distancing, in this relationship. There could be not everything is going the way you wanted it to. There could be some kind of distance, unexpressed emotions, but nevertheless, you have hope in your heart. The Nine of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Four of Cups. So a lot, like I said, there's a lot of emotions involved. Even though you're guarded, even though you are not going totally all out, there are a lot of deep-seated emotions underneath waiting to break out. Okay? And the Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Nine of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. What you don't see coming, Leo, is that this person could not be sharing their entire life with you. There could be secrets that will eventually, the unclosing of which will cause you grief. Because, and it's of a very practical kind of nature, These issues are of a very practical nature. The Nine of Pentacles, the last card, is clarified by the Sun, the Five of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. So yes, there might be some distance going forward in the future. This person could kind of distance themselves from you. There's no indication that this is a third party situation. This could be something to do with practical aspects, a conflict, something that needed to be said that is said but comes out all immature and unpalatable to hear. So that is what I have for you for your relationship, Leo. Let's check the cards for your career. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Let's pick 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future for your career. Let's see what your career is going to be like. The Hanged Man, the Wheel of Fortune, the Fool, the Hierophant, the King of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, Judgment, and the Nine of Swords. So definitely the cards show that there is a period of tension ahead. Even though everything looks rosy right now, there is a period of tension and stress going ahead. Okay, and you should do everything to avoid such an eventuality. For many of you who've started a new job, you look for a higher income, you're kind of looking for something like that. And this is a period where probably tradition surpasses any kind of said or unsaid, done or undone norm. Tradition surpasses all that. So you are kind of in a very rosy space, but what's coming at you is that there might be some stresses, there might be some ups and downs going forward. Okay, so that is what I have for you for your career. Let's see what the wisdom from the Gitas is. remembrance and forgetfulness. So the thing is that this is a period of great study, kind of reading. If you are not in the habit of reading a lot, you will be reading. So this is a period to kind of increase the bank of your knowledge and learn something, that you will remember for the rest of your life. So that is all I have for you, Leo, for this week. See you next week. Bye. Ciao.